Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make sprouted mung bean curry. So let's get started.
I've got here 3 cups of sprouted mung beans. I sprouted these beans 2 days ago. If you want to know how to sprout these mung beans, I'll put a link below. 1.5 cups of water, 1 medium onion which I have chopped, 3 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 4 cloves of minced garlic, 3 teaspoons of curry powder, 1 sprig of curry leaves which I have chopped, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Place a non-stick fry pan on medium heat, add oil and heat it. Add cumin and mustard seeds, give it a mix and cook it for 20 seconds. Add onions and curry leaves. Give it a mix and cook it until the onions get a light brown color. Add mung beans, chili powder, garlic, turmeric, curry powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1.5 cups of water. Give it a mix, put a lid on, lower the heat and cook it for 10 minutes or until the water is dry and the mung beans are tender, stirring it twice during cooking. After 10 minutes, give it a mix and taste your salt and check to see if the mung beans are tender. If the mung beans are hard, add extra half a cup of water and cook it for further 5 minutes. It just needs a little bit more salt, so I'm adding extra half a teaspoon of salt, but you can always add it according to your taste. Give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute. Add lemon juice, give it a mix, turn the heat off, and let me dish it out and show you. My Fiji-style sprouted mung bean curry is ready, and you can serve it with roti or rice. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.